Hey, I'm Sam and I do design. It is 6 minutes to 7 and this is the Nordgreen competition winners announcement. This is going to be the fastest YouTube video that I have ever done. I just want to announce the winners and post them as soon as possible. So at 6 minutes to 7, you guys can tell how long this YouTube video took me to make. So first off, I would like to thank everyone who entered the competition. I've been absolutely blown away with the amount of response we've had, and I actually really thought that it'd be really easy to choose a winner. I thought that one person was going to submit something absolutely amazing and that everyone else did a really good job, but it was obvious who the winner is, but it hasn't been like that at all. And I've been stressing all day because I haven't been able to choose a winner. Everyone's work is so good, so congrats to everyone for being able to turn this around within a week. I know it was really difficult to render it, light it, set the scene, all in a week, and some people even did animations as well, which is just absolutely blown my mind. So, with that being said, I think third place should go to Nico Tagliabue. Sorry for names. For this shot in particular, this macro shot, it's got the groove detail in the fascia that I'm really impressed with, and the leather looks really cool. So this shot in particular, congrats, because it's really cool shot. And if I saw this scrolling through, I would have liked it as a photo because the detail is just so good in it. You can see some reflections in the glass ever so slightly. Yeah, congrats, Nico. Third place, £60 off a Nordgreen watch of your choice. Hit me up on Instagram and we'll sort that out for you. Second place, I think, goes to Aman because the amount of work that Aman's put in is really cool. I really like the animation work that you've done, and the video and the render of the watch on the glass table with the scene in the background is really nice. You've got a nice model going on, and the one thing that I would pick up on that has set it off is the watch on the table looks like it's floating, and it's not on a stand, but it's just sort of floating on the rim of the face. If the leather straps hit the floor and you could see the reflections interact with it a little bit more like that, then this would have been absolutely top-notch render. I really like this one. So congrats, you are in second place and an £80 gift voucher is on its way to you. Hit me up on Instagram and we will sort that out. But that means that in first place goes to JN Parker for this render. I just think it's so clean, it's so minimal. I really like the detail in the floor. And you can see here that the leather strap, like I mentioned, is hitting the surface and it interacts properly so that it looks like a real scene and it looks like a photograph. And I like the fact that it's lit nicely. It's lit in a really nice soft environment. So congratulations, you have won yourself a Nordgreen watch. Hit me up on Instagram. Let's start chatting which color bands and stuff you want. Yeah, again, guys, thank you so much for participating, everyone. I wish I could give you all watches because the time and effort put into it was absolutely fantastic. And last but not least, thank you so much to Nordgreen for sponsoring this competition. It's been a pleasure working with you again. And for anyone who hasn't won a Nordgreen watch, don't forget you can check out all of the watches designed by ex-Bang & Olufsen designer Jacob Wagner on their website. You can use code SAMDD to get 15% off exclusively. And once you have your watch, don't forget, guys, to sign up to the Giving Back program because it's an amazing opportunity to give back to worthy causes around the world. So thank you so much to Nordgreen. So it's now 7 o'clock. I'm going to quickly edit this video down, put on the photos of the renders so you guys can see those. Let me know in the comments down below if you agree with the selection that I've picked. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe and hit the bell button and everything else that YouTube asks you to do. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.